Are you struggling to make headway financially? Do you feel like you're working hard but not getting anywhere? If so, this video is for you. I'm going to share with you the one mindset shift that will change your finances forever. This shift will help you see money in a whole new light, and it will give you the power to make positive changes in your financial life. The one mindset shift that can change your finances forever is understanding that money is a tool. It's something that can be used to help you achieve your goals, but it's not an end in itself. When you view money as a tool, it changes everything. Suddenly, you're not chasing after money for its own sake. You're using it to achieve your own personal goals, and that's a very powerful position to be in. When you understand that money is a tool, you can use it to achieve anything you want in life. You're no longer limited by your financial circumstances. It's important to remember, though, that money is just a tool. It's not the be-all and end-all. It's not going to solve all of your problems, but it can be a very powerful tool if you use it wisely. So if you're ready to make a change in your financial life, start by changing your mindset. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.